So I got her this for her birthday. I had to exchange it for the colored version. I thought she wanted the...
Just like this, you get the colored one.
Oh, fuck, Tina! Huh? Oh, okay. I thought you meant this one.
Ah!
Yeah.
What?
I tried to exchange it for the
I
colored
said
one.
the small one. What? Oh, he got two for me. Oh my god, you're so sweet. Because when I went there, when we bought the Deadpool, I saw this one on the cashier, and it's so nice, but it's white. And then the next, like, we went there again, and I saw the colored one, and I said, I want the colored one. It's like this. But this is my old one. But what? Oh my god! So I'm gonna show you how this one looked first. Oh shit! I got two. I like Groot so much. Groot and Wanda.
Oh, but this is not interchangeable even if it's defect because it's not covered by warranty.
So it's like this. Said, why you know I got the colored one? There's so many tapes. It's for my birthday. My birthday is like next month. He already got me 6 gifts.
6 gifts?
Yeah.
That was a decent count. That's a lot though, 6 gifts. Don't expect me to give you 6 gifts like all the time.
Oh, okay. I really thought it's like a vase. Because I was thinking of like to put the flowers on top. Looks like this.
Yeah, that's cute.
So nice.
Show the top of the hedge with the leaves growing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's our first group. Oh shit. Stand. Oh shit. This one is the colored one. Show you the box. It looks like this. It's pretty. Oh, you open it? Then?
Oh yeah, because they said if there's any defect.
Wow, this is pretty. Look at the colored one.
I like the eyes.
It's a baby Groot. You have a pajama. It's a cloth pajama. I'm not sure if you can remove this. I think you can remove it.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
It's just like this one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe it's a button. You can unbutton it, yeah.
She got 2. Thank you, babe.
For you.
Yay!
Kiss.